Go.
You got it going now.
Yes, we do. Some good head fire rolling here towards the line. What do you guys think? Is it gonna hold? Yeah.
Nice and rocky.
Yep, you got it. Well, it's gonna get warm here real quick, so just FYI.
What do you guys think? Do we need to do anything about this?
I think that was the words of wisdom, Hugo.
Yeah.
Oh boy, here comes the intensity. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna go indirect here. Is this a good idea? I'm gonna come over here and try and light this off. Oh man, fire's already here. And somebody left a tool. Oops. Word to the wise, it's really warm over here. Oh, you already have one? Yeah.
Flat.
All right.
So do we need to fight this? No. So that was the point of this little experiment here. When to engage and when to not, right? If I know my area and I know what's around me, and I know what the fuels are doing, I could use a fuel transition. I could use, the fact that we might have black already on the ground. Maybe we got a burn break, we're already like lighting off and we need to like hook it back into that. Remember to be aware of your surroundings enough to know like, hey, I know I just need to like cut it off here and cut it off here and the rest of it can burn out, okay? That was a little cheesy thing, but I just wanted to see if people would like get panicked about like, oh, there's a lot of fire, what do I do? Right, because sometimes you don't need to engage. Make sense? Yeah. Okay, now we need to put it out. So let's, we can just pinch the flank that's moving downhill. That's fine, we're just gonna hit the burn brake, so. We just want to catch the flank that's moving downhill. Who has now got a chance to suppress? Everyone done?
Yeah, you guys fall in with Joe and Joe will line you out.
Alright, so we're all tied into the black here, so we're going to anchor in right here. Get one water unit to go first with a rake behind. Feel free to stand on the black side, on the inside, and rake into the unit. You don't need to stand right in the flames, don't burn your shoes. As we go, I'm going to check ahead. Looks like once you tie into the drill, you see the spirit come out. Now that we're tied in, we're going to monitor this line and make sure it's secure.
So what kind of fire behavior was this? And what was the difference between what we just saw tearing up the hill there? Right, this is backing fire because it's backing against the slope, and actually the wind, if you watch the smoke, is a great telltale for the wind, right? So the wind's almost kind of pushing up slope a little bit. So it's backing against slope and wind. That's just the best possible condition for you to engage in that fire. All right, so I'm sure we'll give you guys another one. Who's your, you had a fourth, didn't you, Joe? We'll grab you a fourth for the next one so you get 2 water and 2.